Did you know that you have two brains? Well, literally, there is just one brain in your head, but there's also a part of your body nicknamed the second brain. This is your gut. It has a major influence on your mood and ability to regulate emotions. The process that allows communication between these two brains is known as the gut-brain axis. Come with me if you want to learn more. After you eat your food, digested food particles enter the small intestine. They then attach to the villi on the surface of the small intestine. Here, there are special cells known as enteroendocrine cells. Enteroendocrine. It's a bit of a mouthful. Or stomachful? Some enteroendocrine cells, or synapse with nerve cells, these are called neuropod cells, and they are responsible for sensing all kinds of stimuli, such as nutrients. These neuropod cells will convert signals from stimuli into electrical impulses that will travel through the vagus nerve to the brain. This can alter the functioning of the brain. Unfortunately, certain pathogens in the gut may take advantage of this process to gain access to the brain. This is why scientists are working to develop therapies to help those who suffer from disorders that are influenced by the gut-brain axis. Wait, is the gut-brain axis the reason why I have butterflies in my stomach every time I get called on in class? Actually, yes. The gut-brain axis has a huge influence on disorders such as anxiety and depression. In fact, more than half of the serotonin in our body is produced by microbes in our gut. I'm gonna go at my gut and say that serotonin is the hormone that makes us happy. You got it. Serotonin is responsible for regulating our mood, happiness, and sense of well-being. Our gut helps produce serotonin, which travels through the vagus nerve to our brain. Also, low amounts of serotonin correlates with depression. Well, whenever I feel down, I always want to eat loads of ice cream. But I only feel better for a little while. Research suggests that typical comfort foods, which are lacking in nutritional value, are actually counterproductive for fighting off depression. In fact, foods that are not processed, low in sugar, as well as foods that are high in fiber, are actually way better for encouraging our microbes to create more of the happy hormone. Understanding the communication between the brain and the gut is critical to innovating treatments for those who suffer from illnesses such as depression and anxiety. Understanding this process may even lead to our society modifying its habits so that we may prevent these illnesses from occurring in the first place. After all, two brains are better than one.